Hello, this is Maven, and welcome to my channel. If today felt emotionally heavy, take this moment for yourself. The topic of this video is called Why Survivors Struggle to Trust People After Narcissistic Abuse. After leaving a narcissistic relationship, many survivors notice something unexpected. Trust begins to feel different. You may feel cautious around new people. Small behaviors may trigger doubt, or you may find yourself questioning whether someone's intentions are genuine. These reactions can feel frustrating, especially if you once considered yourself naturally trusting. But these changes often have understandable psychological roots. Trust is built through consistent experiences of honesty, safety, and respect. In healthy relationships, those experiences gradually strengthen confidence in others. But narcissistic relationships often disrupt that pattern. You may have trusted someone who later manipulated your emotions, promises that were never kept, or conversations that may have left you questioning your own perspective on events. When experiences like this happen repeatedly, the mind begins to try to protect itself. Instead of assuming safety, it becomes more alert. This shift is not a weakness. If the brain attempts to prevent future harm, it can lead to confusion. The human mind learns from emotional experiences. When trust is broken, in significant ways, the brain naturally begins scanning for warning signs. This can create heightened awareness in certain social situations. You may notice subtle changes in the tone or behavior more quickly of someone. While this awareness can sometimes feel exhausting, it often develops as a protective response. The important part of recovery involves gradually distinguishing between healthy caution and constant fear. Healthy relationships tend to demonstrate consistency over time. Actions match words, boundaries are respected, and communication remains steady. These experiences slowly rebuild the foundation of trust. If trusting feels difficult right now, it doesn't mean you will feel this way forever. Not at all. Many survivors notice that trust returns gradually, not all at once, but through repeated experiences of respectful and reliable interactions. The awareness you gained from past experience can also become a valuable guide. Instead of ignoring the warning signs, you may now recognize them earlier. And that awareness can help protect your emotional well-being moving forward. Recovery from narcissistic abuse often involves rebuilding trust in two directions: trust in others, and more importantly, trust in yourself. As you continue learning about relationship patterns, your confidence in your own judgment begins to strengthen. And it's a wonderful feeling, I promise you. And with that confidence, new relationships can be approached with openness and wisdom. Over time, trust becomes less about blind faith and more about recognizing consistent behavior. And that kind of trust tends to grow stronger more than before. Thank you for listening. I'm Maven from Narc Free Maven. My goal with these videos is to create a calm, steady space for people healing from narcissistic and emotional abuse. A place where your mind can slow down, your nervous system can breathe, and you can begin to find clarity, again, one step at a time. If this video brought you even a small sense of comfort or peace tonight, I invite you to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be gently notified whenever a new calming and ASMR recovery video is uploaded. You don't have to figure everything out at the moment. Just focus on taking care of yourself, one moment at a time. Until next time, be gentle with yourself. Breathe deeply, and remember, clarity changes everything.